each person's role and voice. Forgiveness and grace. Let go of grudges quickly and choose understanding over resentment. 4, communication with kindness. Communicate openly but gently. 5, serving one another. So help without being asked. Share responsibilities and put others' needs into consideration. 6 is training and guidance. Teach values through both words and example because consistency matters. And lastly is peace and unity. So unity doesn't mean disagreeing, it means staying committed to peace. So closing thought, strong families are not built on perfection. They are built on consistent love, forgiveness, and faith. When each member strives to live out these principles, the home becomes a place of peace, growth, and lasting connection. And there will be love at home. So I hope you're blessed with our reminders this evening. So to close, but before we close, because it's actually Marvin's birthday last week. Is it last week? 11.
Last week.
Yeah, he turned 50, half a century. So because yeah, so we're so happy that you guys joined us here. It's also a way of thanking you for all your kindness to us. You know, offering us gift, we need it. You know, praying for us. So for me personally, you've been with me. You know, since I was single to married Marvin and our ups and downs. So it's one way of thanking you all, and thank you for praying Marvin that was able to come back without, you know, paying extra money because it was really expensive. So I believe that's God's answer. Answered our prayers. So shall we join and sing happy birthday?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
This 5 minutes, just gonna show something. I think there are still people who wants to greet Marvin. So he didn't know that I managed to contact some people in the Philippines. So I'm gonna ask Mother Noel to thank you, Mother Noel.
Kaya nga pala nawala Noel. Ano sinabi kay Marvin?
Sana nagpaalam ka.
Oo.
Pasok, sir. Pasok. Okay na.
Ayun, may sound. Volume lang,
Sa iyo.
volume. May pala yung gitara pala. Gitara pala ni Bongi.
Taas na yan, 40 something.
Ayan na, ayan na.
Happy birthday, Golden Boy!
Oh!
Wish ko sa'yo more happiness, good health, and more blessings. Naalala ko nung tayo ay nasa Manila pa, hinahatid yung pare ko eh. Pagka tayo lumalabas, nag-i-olomen, yung mga pinagkakagawa natin.
Oo, yan ang ginagawa niya.
Sarap alalahanin.
You've come this far, so congratulations. Taong taon pa, libre ka na sa pilihan dito. My only wish and prayer for you is to keep have a healthy body, and may your sabi nga yung basket mo be filled with blessings so that you can always be a fountain of blessings din for others. Thank you so much for supporting si Leslie, classmate ni Johnson. Thank you for your Delani's generosity every time na meron mga opportunities. Thank you so much talaga. And hope that your life be filled with purpose. Yan lamang. See you soon here in Palawan.
Happy birthday po Ninong Marvin. Hope to see you again soon. Enjoy your day po and ingat po palagi and God bless po sa inyo.
Mamukha ni Kyle ko lang, ni Kyle Torres na lang.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday there.
Sino?
Happy birthday, Marvin. Happy birthday, Marvin.
Ay, Mars, mga classmate mo? Tita pala, tita. Yuminang May.
Special day, we would like to wish you a very, very happy birthday at sa palaya pa ng Panginoon.
Happy 50th birthday, Marvin. Hope to see you again soon. God bless you. Bye.
Bo!
Lars, happy birthday!
Bawal mo yan.
Salamat ako na
Bawal yan.
pagkakamit ng Panginoon sa mga aling kamaraanan. Nagkasama rin sa tayo sa gawain at ikaw rin napakalaking support na ibigay sa ministry namin. Pagpalain ka, many more birthdays to come. Sa mga susunod na bahagi ng birthday.
Ay, probably tricycle.
Panalangin na tayo kasama na so magpakatatag ka, makalakas ka pagbisan na gamitin sa iba't ibang paraan lalo yung sa gift yung napakalaking blessing para sa ating patuloy ka pang gamitin na maging isang influence sa maabot natin yung kakayanan ng iyong talent. Happy birthday, Marbs!
Hi, Marvin.
Siya pa yung motor na yan.
Si Marvin, nakauwi siya dito.
That's where Marvin lives when she goes sleep back.
Ng voices, isang message lang yan, text message lang yan. Talagang mag-gather lahat at naging malaking blessing talaga yung makikita-kita namin. Thank you, Marvin, as well as Leolani for always sharing your blessings.
Montohod before.
Happy birthday and may God continually bless you and your family. We love you, Mama. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Nino Marvin. I hope you have a great birthday and more blessings to come.
Hi, Marvin! Naway patuloy kang bigyan ng mabuting kalusugan, mabuting pangatawan, at higit sa lahat, patuloy na makapaglingkod sa Panginoon.
Happy birthday Marvin. Wishing you good health and many, many more birthdays.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday Kuya. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. And wish ko sa iyo
Sabi niya,
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya. We pray for your good health palagi at lagi kayong safe dyan. Thank you for always spoiling us. Happy birthday!
Spoiling eh.
Birthday. Wishing you good health and thank you so much for everything for us. And here's to more adventures and more memories to come. Believe me. Thank you.
Maligayang karawan. Marami pang mga karawan na darating upang pagdiwang. Sana'y matupad mo ang mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Dalangin ko
nabigyan ka pa ng malusog na pangatawan at marami pang pagpapala at masasayang alaala. Dahil sa'yo, kami ay nakapunta sa Puerto Galera. Kaya, maraming salamat sa'yo.
Ano, kasi alam nila.
Nakusipahan yan
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Speech!
Happy birthday.
Thank you for happy prayers and then for coming over this evening. Ano ba? Dapat wala ako dito. Not dapat. Muntik-muntik ka nang wala ako dito. Kasi initially is flight. Well, ano ba? The flight was cancelled. I don't. When I was in the Philippines, nalaman ko after a couple of days na may war. So sabi ko, I will not look or anything about yung sa war yan kasi I'm not here for the Philippines because of that. So hindi ko nag-check everything. So hanggang February 24, March 1, nag-check ko ng the app. Like before March 10, they said, ano pa siya, parang meron pa sa Qatar app that they were saying that you can upgrade your luggage, you can upgrade to
promotion.
Business class. Business class is 300 pounds lang. Sabi ko, pwede ko patulan to. Sabi ko gano'n. Ando pa siya, yung take off, that's before March 11, gano'n pa siya. Pero nagtata ko, all of a sudden, March 11, 12, nag-check ako, it's cancelled na. So that's when the time that I checked the app and then check na kung paano ako makabili kasi it's cancelled. In the Qatar app, it says since you book third party, so doon ko sa third party. But then, I emailed them Friday, then walang reply, Lani called, not answering. So, Saturday yon, walang ginawa. Sunday, umattend ako ng GC, so for yung GC plaque na datan ko. So I was, the GC banquet was finished around 4 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 2 to 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock ako umalis nun. I've already booked a taxi going to the Victory Liner para going back to Bataan. So I checked already na dun siya. Then while on the way to the taxi, to the sa terminal, biglang pumasok sa isip ko na what if kung mag-check ako sa Qatar, dumiretso ko ng airline, ng airport. So sabi ko, sige, can we check the destination? Can we go to the airport? Sabi niya, sige, check in the app, baguhin mo. So, sinabi ko, hindi ko siya mabago, I cannot change. So, the thing is, sabi niya, okay, just give me 100 pesos, I'll bring you to airport. Okay, so bring to airport. We went to the airport. Sabi ko, I need to check yung Qatar, something airline or whatever. Pumunta ko doon. So, hindi man sinabi yung office kung saan. Nagpunta ko sa counter nila. Nagkataon that there was, I think, a flight during that time and it was cancelled. No, guys, cancel. So all the crew are there. Wala silang ginagawa, nagkwentuhan. Kaya yung nag-approach ako sila, they were all attending my concert. Sabi ko, book, my flight is tomorrow, but yeah, Qatar cancel it. So yun. So they made, check. Initially Sunday, tomorrow to be, then it will be, rerouted to either London or Manchester. Inuna na sa akin. Kung baka pinapili na ako. Sabi ko, sige, yun na lang. Then yung manager nagsabi bigla. Kasi isa pa na, may nakita na ba kayo? O wala pa. So then, sige, to check. And then they said, they have tomorrow. Sabi ko, I'm not ready for tomorrow, sabi ko. Because I haven't packed my things. And then, sabi ko, there's another date. Check na, 18. And then, 17 nga. Okay yun. So, it's closer. Birmingham na siya. So, that's why naging, na siya, Wednesday. So, this is story for prayers and that, yeah. And I didn't have to rebook or refund because when I checked the ticket, it's like double the people. 150 pesos, 200 pesos just one way. 200,000. 200,000. That's tripled. Normal is like, almost 170, that's 2,000 pounds. Just one way. Qatar is, so it was 150 to 210. Sabi ko, ang mahal, that's tripled. I cannot afford to do that one. So that's why good lang na it was just, Qatar book it. So yun ang tip doon. Just go straight to the airport and nagkataon lang na. But that was really like, it's not my plan, though.
Did you pay anything?
No, anything, the same.
It's Qatar also.
Yung mga
While Tita Vivian, Qatar was not entertained. Yeah, they keep on saying go to the agency. They don't want.
Because they didn't go to the
So can we take our photo, please, before we eat?